Mastering English, Understanding on the Fly. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unpack a very interesting English phrase that you might have heard quite often. On the fly. This phrase is popular in both casual and professional conversations, so understanding it can really help you sound like a native speaker. Let's dive in and learn all about it. The phrase, on the fly, is an idiomatic expression that has nothing to do with the insect, fly. Instead, it's used to describe doing something spontaneously or while in motion or activity without stopping to plan or think about it. It often implies a sense of immediacy and flexibility. For instance, if someone is creating a report on the fly, they are doing it as the situation develops, possibly making decisions or adjustments in real time, without prior preparation. It's about being adaptive and responsive in the moment. The phrase, on the fly, has fascinating origins. It's believed to come from the world of sports, such as baseball, where a player catches the ball while it's in midair, literally, on the fly. Over time, the phrase transitioned from the literal action of catching a flying ball to the metaphorical idea of handling tasks or making decisions while in the middle of an activity. Let's look at some examples to see how on the fly is used in different contexts. 1. Workplace. We didn't have time for a meeting, so we discussed the project on the fly during lunch. 2. Technology. This software allows you to edit videos on the fly without rendering them first. 3. Parenting. I forgot to bring a snack for the kids, so I had to come up with an idea on the fly. 4. Cooking. I realized I was out of basil, so I had to adjust the recipe on the fly. These examples show that being able to do something on the fly is a valuable skill, allowing people to maintain progress and adapt to new or unexpected situations. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, on the fly. I hope you now feel comfortable using this expression in your own conversations and understand when and how to apply it. Remember, learning English is about expanding your vocabulary and also about understanding the context in which phrases are used. Keep practicing, and you'll be communicating on the fly in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.